Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on the 4K HD foldable mini drone with obstacle avoidance. This model is presented as a beginner-friendly option, packed with features often found in larger, more expensive drones, all in a compact, foldable design. Right out of the box, this drone is ready to fly, which is a great plus for anyone eager to get started without complicated assembly. Its foldable arms make it incredibly portable, easily fitting into a bag for transport, and just as easy to store away when not in use. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look. One of the standout features highlighted is the obstacle avoidance system. This technology is designed to help the drone detect and navigate around potential hazards in its flight path, adding a layer of safety, especially for those new to flying. It aims to provide a more confident flying experience by reducing the risk of collisions. Underneath, the drone is equipped with brushless motors. These are known for being more efficient, quieter, and offering better performance and longevity compared to brush motors. This contributes to a smoother and more stable flight, which is crucial for capturing good footage. Speaking of footage, the drone is marketed with impressive camera specifications, claiming 4K UHD video capture and an 8K HD camera for stills. However, the detailed specifications list the actual video capture resolution at 1080p and effective still resolution at 12 megapixels. While the marketing suggests very high resolution, the listed specs indicate it captures full HD video and decent resolution photos suitable for many aerial photography and videography needs, especially for a mini drone in this category. The camera is controlled via an app, which also provides the live feed and flight controls. The drone operates through an app, making control intuitive for smartphone users. It's described as having long battery life. Although the exact flight time per charge isn't specified, it comes with one battery to get you started. Being app-controlled and beginner-friendly makes it accessible for adults looking to explore the world of drones without a steep learning curve. Overall, this 4K HD foldable mini drone with obstacle avoidance positions itself as an accessible, feature-rich option for beginners and casual flyers. Its combination of portability, safety features like obstacle avoidance, and the promise of decent aerial capture capabilities, along with the efficiency of brushless motors, makes it an interesting package for its size. It's designed to be a ready-to-go solution for capturing aerial perspectives and enjoying flight.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.